to 2D array. In this, only two things we need to know. One is, why do we consider I by n and why do we consider I modulo n? I by n is because, so we have an array 0, 1, 2, 3, these are the indexes, suppose, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. As soon as we go to this 2, right, and we have said if suppose m equal to 2 and n equal to 2 over here, we are saying that after every 2 elements I need to start another row. After every m elements I need to start another row. So after 2 elements over here we need to start another row. Till here, till 2, we see that I by n over here, this is n, not m, because m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. So the number of columns gives us how many elements are present in each row. So I by n will be equal to 0 for these first two, because it is closer to 0. From here onwards till 3, again I by n will become 1. So this is giving us the row. I by n gives us the row. Similarly, now in that row, what is the column will be given us by I modulo n. So for every n elements, I'm checking. So this is the first in that row, this is the second in that row. Again from here, right, it will start another count for n, because this is exceeding 2, right? This is equal to 2, and then this one is exceeding 2. So this will be the first element, this will be the 0th element in that. Why does it fit so perfectly? Because 0 based indexing is used everywhere, so it fits perfectly. And then these are the guardrails. We have seen that it says 0 to n minus 1 elements will be present, 0 to n minus 1 elements will be present over here, and then n to 2n minus 1 elements will be present in the next row, and so on, which means that we have to utilize all the array 1D array elements and then fit it in the 2D array. So everything must be utilized, it cannot be less or it cannot be more. Coming to the code bit, if we see, we can just check what is the size of this, so that m into n should be equal to the size of this, so that we can know that every element is being utilized. If this is checked, next thing is to form the particular 2D array. Define the 2D array over here and then fill the 2D array over in the next line. While filling, we just make sure that the row should be equal to I by n, while the column should be equal to I modulo n. We saw that why does it work on top.